I'm standing in Arsenalyna metro station in Kiev, Ukraine, the deepest metro station in the world. So this is a map of the metro of Kiev, showing where we are right here at Arsenalyna, the deepest metro station in the world. So this is the greatest distance toward the center of the earth one can achieve on public transit, for what that's worth. So being in the deepest metro station in the world, it would stand to reason that this is probably one of the longest metro escalators in the world. Let's ride it and find out what it's like. Well, it looks like it's pretty far up there. If I were the person that does in fact get vertigo, I might be getting vertigo right now. But I seem to be holding on okay. As I recall from my previous trip to the deepest metro station in the world, there are 2 escalators in this one, and the entire journey from bottom to top can take as long as 5 minutes, which is of course far too long for an interesting video about even the deepest metro station in the world, if it is in fact the deepest metro station in the world. So here we go. Let's give a full documentation of escalator number 1, and perhaps a truncated documentation of escalator number 2. It's not as sumptuously appointed as the metro stations in Moscow, for instance, or Stockholm, which is odd given its august status as the deepest metro station in the world. But Ukraine has had fiscal difficulties, for the last 5 or 6 centuries. I mean, it was actually kind of a boon when Genghis Khan made it here. Did he make it here? I don't know, but if he did, I'm sure that the deepest metro station in the world was not yet even a glimmer of an idea in the mind of any of the surprised residents when he came thundering in, drinking mare's milk and looking for young Slavs to impregnate with his Mongolian genes. All right, here we are nearing the top of escalator number 1 of the deepest metro station in the world. I don't mean philosophically, I'm just talking, sheer feet, inches, meters, centimeters. Okay, what's next? As you can see, it's sort of utilitarian down here in this nether world of deep escalatorness. And here we come to escalator number 2, which I am very, very glad is functional at the moment. That would not be fun. So this escalator is sort of an average Soviet-era escalator in length. Nothing particularly outstanding about it except for the fact that it is the second escalator to enable journey down into the deepest metro station in the world. Into the lobby of the world's deepest metro station. The crisp, moist air of a rainy Kiev afternoon. I think I need an umbrella. There it is, your journey through the deepest metro station in the world.